Hello and welcome back. This is Steve of Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. Today I have a single coin for you. It is a 1 ounce silver £2 coin. It is what they call a bullion coin. It's minted to bullion standard. It's not the highest standard you could possibly have, of course, because there's proof on top of that. But it's 0.99 silver. It shows a portrait here of Charles III. And it gives you the fact that it's a £2 coin. On the reverse, this is one of the ones for this year. This is the Royal Arms. Now this may look familiar to you, particularly if you remember the old £1 coins. This was one of the designs that was put onto the £1 coins. It shows the Royal Arms. It's dated 2023. And it says 1 ounce fine silver 0.999, and 2023 is up here either side of the crown. We have this coin. I do like this coin very much. It's a lovely coin in its own right, and I'm very happy to have it in my collection. I bought two bullion coins at the same time. I bought this one and the Silver Britannia, which is in a separate video. So tell me, what do you think of these? You have the lion and the unicorn, which is England and Scotland, either side of the coat of arms, a crown coat of arms. As I say, I used to like getting this particular coin as a £1 coin, and to see it now as a fine silver coin makes me happy. I do like the design. I think it's a traditional design, and one that I was glad to see when I saw it on the £1, the old round £1 coins. So, do you like this coin? If so, tell me down below. Or if you don't like this coin, even tell me why you don't like it, and do you think the fact that this design has been used previously on the round £1, do you think the mint is trying to print money by using this coin? I don't know. You tell me. It's your thoughts. As I say, I particularly do like this particular coin. So, I do a minimum of 4 videos a week, usually 5. I am hoping that my subscriber level I can get to by December the 31st, 2023. I'm hoping to have over 250 subscribers. It's the 12th of August today, and I am standing at 196. If you haven't yet subscribed and you believe I deserve it, could you please subscribe to the channel? Also, it would help if you would give us the thumbs up. That, both subscribing and the thumbs up, doesn't cost you anything. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you are buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. And until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not so far in the distant future, thank you for watching, and from me, bye bye. Ta-da now.